Welcome to Is SparkPoint Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to SparkPoint Wallet and its features are included in the description below. SparkPoint Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-currency wallet designed for users seeking a secure and versatile way to manage their crypto assets. Developed by SparkPoint Technologies, the wallet is tailored for beginners and advanced users, offering a mix of security, ease of use, and innovative features. SparkPoint Wallet supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain tokens, and SparkPoint's own SRK token. Its multi-chain compatibility ensures users can manage various assets in one place, making it a convenient solution for crypto enthusiasts. Additionally, the wallet incorporates a built-in token swap feature powered by SparkSwap, enabling seamless exchanges without leaving the app. Security is a top priority for SparkPoint Wallet. As a non-custodial wallet, users retain full control over their private keys, which are stored securely on their devices. The wallet also features passcode protection and an optional biometric authentication feature for added security. Users can create and backup recovery phrases, ensuring they can restore access to their assets in case of device loss or theft. What sets SparkPoint Wallet apart is its integration with SparkEarn and SparkPlay, allowing users to earn rewards through learning and gaming activities within the SparkPoint ecosystem. This makes the wallet not only a tool for managing assets, but also a gateway to a broader crypto experience. The intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can navigate the wallet with ease, while advanced users will appreciate the additional functionalities like staking and decentralized finance (DeFi) integrations. SparkPoint Wallet is ideal for those seeking a secure, all-in-one crypto wallet that goes beyond basic asset management. Its focus on security, user-friendly design, and value-added features make it a strong contender in the wallet market. Check out the links in the description to explore SparkPoint Wallet and see if it fits your cryptocurrency management needs.